Hi. Welcome to Mantrimols. Mantrimols. All things possible. I'm going to explain to you how to play and make money from Mantrimols app. In the top you can see we have 4 servers. Parity, Spray, Beacon and Emerald. And after that you can see on the period, and the clocking down timing is every 3 minutes. One period will have 3 minutes, 2.30 minutes for placing the bet amount, and 30 seconds last the system will be stop the bet and make the calculations for the results. And you can place the bet on the red or green color or in the number. In Mantrimols our tutor provide daily 5 times forecast prediction. And all the prediction is based on analyze and not by random guessing. As you can see, this is the trend chart of Mantrimols. A could be green or could be red, so do B, it's just the symbolize of the trend. Next I'm going to share 4 things take mostly make you fail in this game. First, you are fail to follow and keep it up with the tutor predict plan due to you have low balance. Second, you are not trusting the tutors and start try to bet opposite on tutor said. Third, you are betting by randomly and not following the triple investment method plan. And last, you are having the chicken mindset. Most of you is keep asking how much is the funds you need to prepare for play. Here are some fund management by Bella. You can try to see on the starting bet amount, and the amount of multiple, and total basic balance that you need to prepare. When we start with 10 rupees, if we win, we need to stick to the plan by placing the 10 rupees on next bet. If we lose on the bet, for next period we will multiple it by 3, so we place 30 rupees. Why we are using triple investment instead of double investment? Because when we win on next round, we will cover the loss on the previous round, and make some profit while the trend is not good and fluctuating. And some of you must be asked, is the emergency funds is needed? Yes, we do need to prepare some of the emergency funds, but it will be not needed every time, because most of the time we only need to prepare basic balance because the storms hurricane not coming for us every day. Next is about trust things. Most of the member when you face some bad trend and start few rounds streak, and you guys start to questioning instead of trusting the tutor and have the voice in your mind to buy opposite of the predictions, by the end you just lost your money because of not trusting. Okay, next. I am going to explain to you why we are using triple investment and we don't recommend you to do bet randomly, because a lot of member they don't know the meaning of triple investment and just try to place the bet amount on the random period. And as you can see on this, sometimes you just in good luck and you win more when we are win, but do you think for long term? Do you think your luck is going to works every time? So that's why we are introducing for you the triple investment. Yes, maybe sometimes we make small profit when the trend stable, but the positive things is we make survive for longer time. Then you place the amount randomly and ended up lose in few minutes. And last, I am going to share about the chicken mindset. What is chicken mindset? Chicken mindset is the mindset that you have been feeling down, feeling sad when you just meet 1 or 2 times failures, and you feel like to giving up instead of giving yourself a chance to try again, one more shot. Because champions is the failure who try one more time. And remember, please don't be greedy, because when you start to become greed you already lose the game before the game start. Self-control, keep calm, and follow the tutor's plan. I hope this short sharing could be useful for all the members. Come on, give yourself one more chance, recharge now and earn with Mantrimols. Oh yes. One more thing's last. Remember, don't share your ID, password or bank details to strangers. And don't click on the random links shared by others. Mantrimall's official agents, tutor and customer service will never ask you for passwords. Stay safe and wish you all have a good day.